Placing and managing orders in the ladder can be done with one click. In this workspace, I have two ladders open, each with a different configuration. On the left-hand side, I have my order entry panel at the top, and on the right-hand side, I have my order entry panel on the left-hand side. This can be very easily and quickly toggled using this arrow key here, depending on your preference. I've also added an order book and a trade book so we can see the results of our orders that are placed. To place an order in the ladder, simply click on the price level at which you want to buy or sell. Click in the bid column to place a buy order. Click in the ask column to enter a sell order. Here I've defaulted my quantity to 10, so I'll place a 10 lot bid down at $67.76. And to place an offer, I'll place an offer up here at $79. Place that by clicking in the ask column. You can see that both of those orders are displayed in this buy sell column. They are not separated by to the left and to the right of the price column. If I scroll down, I can see that this red indicator up here indicates that there's an order up above my visible price level. And in the same way, if I scroll up, we can see that green indicator indicates there's an order below my currently visible price level. I can click on the price column to recenter my ladder. If I'm using the order panel on the left-hand side, we can use our order entry quantity buttons to control our quantity, or of course you can type using your keyboard. These are additive. So if I want to, I'm looking at 20 here. If I want to place a 40 lot, I'll add 20 and I'll place a 40 lot buy down at 61.40. We can see all of these orders working in our order book here. You can see the filled quantity, the price, and the balance. Orders in the ladder can be very easily manipulated, modified, or manipulated or canceled. Hovering in several ways. Hovering over the order will expose this order flyout. So if I want to tick this down, for example, I can tick this down to 75.5. Some users find that pop out distracting, so it can be hidden by hiding order pop out here. And now if I hover over this, I will see nothing. In addition, the order pop-out can be useful if you have multiple orders working at the same price. So if I have another 40 lot working here in my crude oil at 61.40, I can see that I've got two orders. This is what the triangle means, two orders totaling 80 lots and none with none filled. If I re-expose my order pop-out, I can see that hovering over that will allow me to manipulate one order at a time if I choose. So I can take one of these down to 38 and leave the other one in place. To move them manually, I can simply click and drag. So left click drag will drag this order up, and if I drag it up to the offer, I'm going to start to get filled at 47. So we can see my partial fill here, and we can in the trade book we can see my order book status, so we can see the fills in the trade book. To cancel an order, single left click will cancel the order completely. So single left click here to cancel that order. In addition, you'll see in this buy-sell column, you've got a couple of quick cancel buys, cancel sells. Those will obviously cancel immediately any orders working in that ladder. This will pop up a confirmation. The confirmation is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and say yes to cancel sells. In addition, from the order book and from the trade book, you can see complete history on any order by clicking on this history button, history icon within that column. So this order that was filled, I can see each step along the way where it was filled, at what time, and in what quantity.